Hello everybody and welcome to another BlueAirways news video. Now for this one it's kind of more serious than usual. I mean, I've made a video about an airline that shut down, and I made another one about the anniversary of a plane, but this one is a bit more serious. Sit down. So, as some of you might have heard, the popular aviation YouTuber Ice711 has been hacked. Yeah, hacked. Now this is not good at all, because again, it's not good to be hacked. It's never good to be hacked. And this one, Ice is a very popular aviation YouTuber, and a very recognizable one at that. Like, if you see an Ice711 video, you probably know that it's an Ice711 video. As for what has happened, hacked, yeah, Ice has been hacked. His channel was turned into some kind of crypto thing, and now it's been deleted. Not good. Now, how it happened, I have no idea. Most videos that's uploaded about it was uploaded while I was sleeping, so about 9 hours ago is the earliest video I found, so that was about 1 or 2 a.m. here. So yeah, what can we do about it? I don't know. I don't think there's anything that anybody can do about this. It's not good at all. Now, there's not really anything else to say. Now, some time ago, like 1 year ago, I made a video about the least popular videos of aviation YouTubers, and I did include Ice711's least viewed video at that time, so if Ice needs his least viewed video, I'm willing to give that to Ice, like I have his least viewed video on my channel. So if he needs to start from the bottom again, I have Ice's least viewed video. Just saying, there is nothing really other to say here, so yeah. I wish the best for Ice, and I wish that he gets his channel back, and that his videos are not permanently deleted, and that his channel is not permanently deleted, and that the hackers just go away. I wish the worst for the hackers, I wish the best for Ice. Just saying, and that's basically all I have to say. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.
And that's all. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.